Oh, yes?
Dick, this is the legendary Stardust Cowboy. Legendary Stardust Cowboy, this is Dick.
Hi there.
You stay right here so you can hear it all close.
Oh. That's quite a number.
Never heard anything like that, did you?
I'm not too sure I heard that one.
What's the legendary Stardust Cowboy? What's the title of that song?
The title of that song is Paralyzed.
Paralyzed?
Yeah, to paralyze you.
Oh, Paralyzed. Yeah. Hey, who wrote it?
I did. I sure did.
Just now?
Oh, you wrote it.
No, I didn't write it. I wrote it a year and a half ago.
So you married or you engaged or?
No, don't intend to.
Well, it wasn't an offer. I was just. I mean, it just
You can work something out with the drummer.
Would you do us another number?
All right, I'll do another.
Dick, why don't you just hum along with him?
I'll do another. No.
Oh, okay.
Just put it back under the sink where he got it.